Namaskar, children. There are three different seasons in India. They are summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Rainy season has very pleasant weather with cool breeze. Dark clouds and lightning are very common during the rainy season. Children wear raincoats and gumboots and love going out in the rainy season. Children, do you like playing in the puddles? Yes, we all love playing in the puddles. Sometimes we can see a rainbow in the sky. Everything around us becomes green. Animals like frog, snail, and peacock are really happy when it is raining. So, children, today we are going to learn a new poem from our English Balbhati textbook, Unit 1, Poem 1, Rain in the Night. Let's read the poem. Rain in the Night. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first, I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. This poem has been written by Amelia Josephine Burr. The person who writes a poem is called poet. If the person is a female, then she is called poetess. Amelia Josephine Burr was born in New York City in United States of America. Let's see what the poem means. Raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. The poetess tells us that it has been raining the whole night. Sometimes it is raining heavily, while sometimes it is just drizzling. So sound of the rain falling is like a song. There'll be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The poetess tells us that the gutters are filled with rainwater, so they look like rivers and lakes on the sides of the street. She also tells us that her kitten, is very lazy and she has come from outside. So she will have to wash her dirty feet in order to become clean. In the third stanza, the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. The poetess tells us that when the raindrops fall on the rose petals, they look like diamonds worn by kings and queens. She also tells us about pansy plants. Pansy plants are short in size. They are called shrubs. The pansies are covered with mud due to splashing of rainwater as they are small in size. In the last stanza, I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Children, do you like making paper boats? We all love making colorful paper boats and sailing them in water, and we so much wish that they go to different new wonderful places sailing across. But the poetess also reminds us that she has to water the pansies and wash their faces in order to make them clean. Let's see a few important meanings. Loud means producing lot of noise or being noisy. Soft is faint low sound. Gutters are channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. Pansies are small plants. The flowers have purple, yellow or white velvety petals. Here is a sample poem written. You have to write the poem in a similar manner in your English classwork book. You have to leave one line after every paragraph. After you finish writing the poem, you will complete your homework. The homework for today is learn and write the poem in English classwork book one time. Draw and color a picture related to rainy season. Write the poem one more time in the homework book. Describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surroundings. That's all for today, children. Thank you.